Hello student, today we will do question number 2 from exercise 4.2 NCERT Math Books class 10. So without a further ado, let's get started. See question number 1. Question number 2. Solve the problems given in example 1. So in example 1 it is given represent the following situation mathematically. John and Jivanti together have 45 marbles. So let suppose number 1. Let number of marbles John has. John has B X and total is and and that Jivanti has B total is 45, so she will have 45 minus X. Both of them lost 5 marbles each, and the product of the number of marbles they now have is 124. So according to question, lost John had lost 5, so remaining marbles with him is X minus 5. And with Jivanti it is 45 minus X minus 5 is equal to product of this is 125, 124. This is now if you will simplify this, X minus 5, 45 minus 5, 40 minus X is equal to 124. If you will multiply this, X square X square minus X square minus X square plus 40X minus 200 minus 200 plus 5X is equal to 124. Minus X square plus 45X, and this will come this side, so this will be minus 200 and minus 124 is equal to 0. minus x square plus 45x, and this will be added, so this will be plus 3 to 4 equal to 0. If we multiply by minus, then it will be x square minus 45x minus 324 equal to 0. Here it is minus sign, minus. Here it is minus sign, so here minus, here is plus. Now we will factorize a split middle term, so x square minus 9x minus 36x plus 324 equal to 0. X common, x minus 9 minus 36 x minus 9 equal to 0. X minus 36, it will take common x minus 9, x minus 9 we will take common, then x minus 9 equal to 0. Therefore x is equal to 36 or 9. Question is, we would like to find how many marbles they had to start with. So number will be then if number John has 36 marble, then Jayanti will have 9, and if John has 9, then Jayanti is equal to 36. This is answer. See question number 2. Question number 2. A cottage industry produces a certain number of toys in a day. The cost of the production of each toy in rupee was found to be 55 minus the number of toys produced in a day. on a particular day, the total cost of a production was rupees. This we would like to find out number of toys produced on that day. Let the number of toys. Let the number produced on that day is equal to X. So cost of production of each day. Cost of production of each toy is equal to then 1/55 minus the number of toys. X minus was found to be 55 minus the number of toys. Minus the number of toys produced in a day. Listen. According to question, the total cost is equal to means X multiply X minus 55 is equal to 750. X square minus 55x minus 750 is equal to 0. This is equation. Now we have to solve this. So x square, if you split middle term, minus 25x minus 30x minus 750 is equal to 0. Take common x minus 25 minus 30 x minus 25 is equal to 0. X minus 30 x minus 25 is equal to 0. X is equal to 25 30. Here will be 55 minus this is if we suppose this, then this will be less than, we cannot subtract 55 from this, so here should be 55 minus x. Here 55 minus x minus x square plus 55x minus is 0. X square equal multiply by minus, then x square. Equation will be then here equation if you multiply by minus, then it will be x square minus 55x plus 750 is equal to 0. Now split middle term, then it will be x square minus 25x minus 30x plus 750 is equal to 0. X common, x minus 25 minus 30 x minus 25 to 0. We'll take common x minus 25, then it will be x minus 25 into x minus 30 is equal to 0. So x is equal to 25 or 30. So question is, we would like to find out the number of toys produced on that day. So this is answer. You must have understood this solution today up to here. We will meet in the next session with the next questions. Till then, take care. Thank you.